early October garden tour. So here are our plants in the garden. So it's been a long time. I've forgotten the names of the plants. Been busy. So here are our plants, and then the mums starting to bloom, but I haven't cut them. So I was not able to prune, so they're not in a mound like the round mums that we're used to. So pink, orange, red, and then the sedum are here, and then the Montauk Daisy. They bloom in October during fall. And the dahlias, they weren't as productive as last year. Dahlia, and then some begonias, marigolds, one of the hellebore. Oh, then I remembered Dusty Miller. The one's also on the other side. And this is the Alberta spruce that I put out because it was dying inside. And thankfully it is surviving. And then my geraniums, the one I overwintered last year. So this middle one died. And then this is supposed to be an eggplant and okra, but I was late in planting them, so I don't know. No more vegetables this year. And this one is a lamb's ear. Bought it on sale. Plan to plant it there. It's full sun. And then this one we got seeds from Dollar Tree. So petunias. But they're so leggy. I wasn't able to prune. But they're nice, and these are the marigolds planted by Mommy. And then here is the, I forgot what this one is called, but we got one on sale, the peach one, and I hope it survives for next year. Then the marigold, one of the new dahlias we bought in Aldi, another marigold, and then the begonias, and hibiscus. And this ones are reliable, my favorite, heucheras. And then this is one of the hydrangeas that we planted from just a stick. And these are two of the hellebores, the one I revived. And this one is the white one we bought from Home Depot. And that one is the pulmonaria, always eaten by rabbits or Justin, our groundhog here. This is the sedum. Sedum. This one is the, I forgot the name. Forgot their names. That's just rose, yellow rose, and hydrangea. This one is the mums, red mums I planted last year. And thankfully it survived. It grew bigger. Very nice. Another hydrangea. One of the 4 or 5 hydrangeas I bought from Home Depot last year. Only one survived and it didn't flower this year. Hydrangea my parents gave us for anniversary last year. Dahlia just budding now. And then one other hydrangea, another sedum. This hydrangea is a big one, but I haven't seen it bloom since we moved here. It's always leaves. Another sedum. And then our newest hydrangea, the blue one before. So there's new growth. And then our 4, forgot what it's called already. Like pine trees. And then another hydrangea. This one is a dahlia. The aster. Our blue spruce is getting bigger slowly. One of our hydrangeas, it's just now, I think, in its 3rd year. And then autumn joy sedum turning red. Lavender, another hydrangea. And new euchera bought this year, spring. And then our green euchera and the 3 boxwoods. And it's growing bigger. And the new peachberry ice euchera that I bought on sale. I will be planting them soon. And then our old eucheras, we'll be replanting them in the ground so they can survive. Our ferns doing well. The begonia, another begonia. Geranium, my eucharis, and then you see them see what? And last thing, rose begonia, and our mums. And dahlias, mums, red, pink, the red, and the orange. Okay, that's it for now. And very nice zinnias over there. Okay, that's it.